Hello everyone, today we will make this beautiful wall hanging butterfly design. Thread, fabric glue, white beads, scissor and 4-number crochet hook. First we will make butterfly, so start with magic ring. Three chain, 1, 2, 3. It will count as a first double crochet. One more double crochet in ring, 2 chain, again double crochet in ring, one more double crochet in ring, 2 chain, again 2 double crochet in ring, 1, 2, 2 chain. So I will complete this round by making total 8 sets of 2 double crochet and 2 chain. I have completed 8 sets of 2 double crochet and 2 chain. Now I will connect to the third chain by slip stitch and cut the thread. Now I will pull magic rings thread, make it tight like this. Now I will connect my another color in 2 chain gap, 3 chain, 1 double crochet in gap, 3 chain, then 2 double crochet in same gap, like this, and chain 1. Now again in 2 chain gap, 2 double crochet, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, again 2 double crochet in same stitch, same gap, 1 and 2, 1 chain, then move to another 2 chain gap, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, again 2 double crochet in same gap, 1 and 2. So I will complete this round by follow same pattern. I have completed my round. Now I will connect to the third chain by slip stitch. Now I will cut the thread. Now I will connect my third color in 1 chain gap. Make a single crochet. Now in between the double crochet gap where we made 3 chain, we make a double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 double crochet, 3 chain, pass through these 2 loops, make a little purl by slip stitch. Again 5 double crochet in same stitch, in same gap, 1, 2, 3 4 5. Connect in the next one chain gap by single crochet. Again 5 double crochet in next gap. 1 2 3 4 and 5. 3 chain and make a little purl. Again 5 double crochet in same gap. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now I will connect in the one chain gap by single crochet. So I will follow this pattern all around and complete my round. I have completed my round. Now I will connect at the starting point by slip stitch. Now I will fold it like this and connect it to the another layer by slip stitch. Now I will make a chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 chain, and now wrap over this side to this side and connect here by slip stitch. Now I will cut the thread. Now we will make antennas. Start with chain, one, two, three, four, five chain, and now I will connect here on top here by slip stitch. Again chain 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now I will cut the thread. Here is our butterfly. Now I will fix this extra thread with the help of glue. Our butterfly is ready. We need 2 more butterflies, so I already made these butterflies. Now we will make tassel. So I will make like this. Take a thread and I will cut it here. And make a knot in center of our tassel. one more knot. Now I will add beads in our tassel. I'm using a keyring ring, so I will cover it. Single crochet. I will make single crochet all around this ring and cover it like this and complete my round. I have covered the ring. Now I will connect to the first single crochet by slip stitch. Now we will connect butterflies, so I will make chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 chain. Now I will connect my first butterfly here. So from the back side of antennas, I will connect here by slip stitch and cut the thread. Like this. Now I will connect second butterfly from here. I will connect from here where we connected first. I will make chain 1, we connected, second 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 chain. Now I will connect my second butterfly from the back side of antennas. I will make a slip stitch. I will cut the thread like this. Now I will connect my third butterfly. Again we will make 15 chain. Chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Now I will connect my last butterfly and make a slip stitch. Now I will cut the thread. Now we will add tassels. I will make a knot and cut the extra thread. Now I will fix extra thread by glue. Our design is ready. Here is our beautiful butterfly wall hanging. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.